Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect outer TC. First, gather your thermocouple, extension wire, and a compatible measurement device. Always consult your device's manual for specific connection requirements. Pay close attention to the color coding on your thermocouple and extension wire to match them correctly. This initial setup is crucial for accurate temperature readings and system functionality. Let's get started with the essential steps. Correct wiring is paramount for any thermocouple installation. The positive lead, often red or yellow, connects to the positive terminal on your instrument. The negative lead, typically blue or black, connects to the negative terminal. Incorrect polarity will result in inaccurate readings or even damage to your equipment. Ensure all connections are tight and free from corrosion. Proper shielding can also minimize noise, ensuring reliable data acquisition. Once wired, secure your thermocouple and extension wires to prevent movement or strain. Use cable ties or clamps to keep everything tidy and protected. After securing, it's vital to test the connection. A simple continuity check can confirm the circuit is complete. Finally, calibrate your entire system using a known temperature source. This ensures your outer TC provides the most accurate and reliable data possible for your application. Even with careful installation, issues can arise. If you experience inconsistent readings, first check all connections for looseness or corrosion. Inspect the thermocouple and wiring for any physical damage or kinks. Regular maintenance, like cleaning terminals and replacing aging components, extends the lifespan of your system. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Proper care ensures your outer TC continues to perform optimally for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.